I'm giving you guys date night snack realness. Okay, so I'm excited because I have a new video for you guys. Pretty much what I'm going to be doing today is I am going to be doing an affordable face beat. So all of the products that I will be using today will be affordable for you guys. So let me get into the video. Okay, so the moisturizer I will be using today is from Dirty Works. This is a moisturizer I found at TJ Maxx. You can get this for definitely like $3.99 to $5.99 for that. But I wanted to see like what it feels like, what it's hitting for. This is working on my makeup, and it does. It's actually amazing. So I'm gonna put this on. I either put this on under a primer or I use this as my primer. Honestly, it's very moisturizing, so that's a good thing, and it doesn't cost that much. So the foundations I was going to use today, I don't know if I still want to use it. I was going to mix these two e.l.f. foundations together. Okay, so what I do is, that's 1.5 pumps. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to use this diamond blender. Okay, so now that we're done with that, I have two different concealers that I am going to use. I use them both together if I ever use them. This was all my practice makeup. Okay, so I'm going to use the Sephora Bright Features. Honestly, I still believe that this is a really good price. I believe they are $14 each at Sephora. I feel like it's a good price for what you're getting because I feel like this is like the best contour concealer that I've ever used because of the fact that it's so blendable. The camera went out, so I'm gonna have to go from here. So anyways, I put on the CoverGirl Outlast all day after I let the other Ready Set Gorgeous actually set into my face. I never blended anything out, so that's what I'm gonna do now. You know, I put it on top because I need a base for my eyeshadow. What palette do I use? I think I'm gonna use a palette that's like $15. Sorry. Just to let you know you're gonna be part of the video.
Okay, cool.
So I'm gonna blend it. Blended everything out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my setting powders. So this is Coty Airspun loose powder, and you can get this in any of your Walmarts. I really like this. It's naturally neutral. That's the color, and it's a really good setting powder, as well as the Rmca. This is probably anywhere from $12 to $22 or something like that, around there. I use these two together because this is a really good neutral colored powder and this is a no color, and when they're both mixed together it's pretty much neutrally no color. So I'm gonna add these to every place that needs to be set in, and then we're gonna get to the next part. So this is from ColorMate, and I've used this for a minute because Anna has been, you know, giving me life. So let's see what I can do. Okay, so I'm mad that the video was not taken. I'm sorry you guys that you guys couldn't see, but I pretty much literally color all throughout all of the hair that's on my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm going to blend out the concealer on top of my, excuse me, don't judge me, this is very old, I did not use it today. So I got this, it was only $12. It was from I believe it was like a beauty shop where the girl did makeup as well as, you know, sold makeup. So this is what it looks like. Sorry, I can't really put it straight because there's one shade that will pop off, but this is what it looks like. And by the way, this is $12 like I said. So we're gonna use this. So let's get into blush. Let's get into blush, yes. So Makeup Revolution, these blush palettes probably cost, honestly, I don't know. I'm going to be using this palette, these two colors here. Okay, so I'm excited for this part because this just became new to me approximately 48 hours ago. So not even 48 hours, I want to say more so of like a 72 because it's been a good 3 days. So this is the Master Chrome. Thanks to Aaliyah, she put me on about the Master Chrome and Molten Gold from Maybelline. So this is what it looks like. If you guys can see, that is heavy. So I'm going to take a regular schmegular fan brush. The lashes that I am going to be putting on are from Bragg Lash Co. As always, you probably will never see me with any other lash company, but Bragg Lash Co. in the style LITTY. So we're about to get litty in our city. Are you ready or no? Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much. Hold on, wait, because I have to have my lips on something that's. Hold on, I have something on my lips already, but you don't even have to do this. Just put on a regular schmegular, not lip gloss, but like lip balm, like a really good one. And then I'm gonna take this here, Sweets from Morphe's Trio Nudes Lippy. It's 3 different lippies, and they're all like pretty much nudes. So I want to. Okay, so we're gonna end this look off with a matte setting spray. This is from PearlEssence or PearlEssence. I don't know really what to say. It's white charcoal. So yeah, I'm gonna spray this. This was $5.99 at my local TJ Maxx. So we're gonna spray this young face. Anyway, so I hope you guys like this look. I went more so for like a Shayla look. You know how she does the gunmetals and all of that. So I don't know about the lip when it comes to her, but this definitely Shayla girl. Okay, so anyways, this is the finishing look. No, I'm not gonna do this on my hair or anything. I've been having my hair like this for the past 48 hours. I put it up in a ponytail. I just took it out today, and I'm gonna get it back. Tell me how you guys like this finishing look. This is pretty much makeup I don't ever use. Well, except for like the highlighter and the lips and the lashes. And from time to time if I don't have any eyebrow products, the pencil. But other than that, I do not use. Well, I do use, but I haven't used. Let me redo this whole thing. So today I used products that were just sitting in my drawer, things that were more affordable from the days where I was learning how to make makeup. From the days where I was learning how to use my makeup. So I hope you guys like this look. This is a pretty much, I don't know if I want to say casual. I don't know if I want to say like a date night. I believe this is more so like a date night. So all of the products I used today were pretty much all inexpensive. Everything should be listed under $20. Okay, so are you guys catching this beat? I don't know if you guys are catching it or nah, but I'm digging it. Honestly, this looked like my everyday face. I mean, the concealer is probably look a little different, but I like it. I'm looking at the mirror just to let you guys know. But this highlight, it makes my face look wet. Oh, yeah, it's one of your life. I'm feeling it. I know you guys are feeling it. So let me know in the comments how you guys feel about this face. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys liked my content, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.